Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals, exercise 7.5, question number 13. Let's see the question. Integrate 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx. Here, as it is in a factor form, we can go with the partial fraction method because here it is not the differentiation of one another because we don't have x. Now, for this, I am going to split the denominator to be a by 1 minus x. For b, the denominator we have 1 plus x square. The degree here is 2. If there is a degree 2 in the numerator, it should be of degree 1. Here the degree is 1, so your degree should be 0, that is x power 0. We have not written x power 0 is 1, so we have not written here. But in this case, if there is a square, remember that the least power should be on the numerator, so it should be a linear equation because here it's a quadratic. So bx, for a linear equation, there should be a constant term, so I am adding c to it. Now we know that taking LCM, that multiplying this 2, here in the denominator both will be multiplied. As it is equal to, this will get cancelled, so I can equate the numerator alone. 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Now without solving, let me substitute, let x is equal to, if I substitute 1, the whole thing becomes 0 because this is in multiply, so here 0 into any number will be 0. So here we will be having only a term, 2 is equal to a into 2. 1 square is 1, so 1 plus 1 will become 2, so a is equal to 1. So we have got one term. Let me substitute x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means here it becomes 2 is equal to a plus here it becomes 0, so c. We know a is equal to 1 means c will be equal to 2. And here let x is equal to, we can take any other number other than 1 and 0 because here we have a multiplied form. So let me take any number for c to find c. C is equal to minus 1. If it is minus 1, here it becomes 2 is equal to 2a plus, for minus 1 it becomes minus b plus c, and here it becomes minus 1 will becomes 2. So multiplying it becomes 2 is equal to 2a minus 2b plus 2c. So substituting the value, it becomes 2 is equal to 2 minus 2b, 2 into 2 will become 4. So minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 2b, minus 4 is equal to minus 2b, b equal to 2. So we have found a, b and c. Substitute in this formula. So we know that this is the value for this, so we can directly, in the place of this, we can solve this form. So we know that a is nothing but 1, so 1 by 1 minus x dx plus here we have b is 2, so 2x plus 2 by 1 plus x square dx. Taking 2 common, we will be having 1 by 1 minus x dx, this will be of, plus taking 2 common, it will be of x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Now we can't do the sum as it is because this is not the, as divide we don't have any specific formula for that. I am going to take x value separately and 1 value separately. If I take, it becomes integration 1 by 1 minus x dx plus 2 common, here taking x alone, and here plus 1 by x square plus 1. Now this is the integration of this, means we can, we wanted to, if I take let u is equal to the denominator, that is x square plus 1, du is equal to 2x dx. So we wanted to, so I will multiply here 2 and divide a 2 here. Now we know that this is the differentiation. Let me take this to be I1, here I2 and I3. I'll do only the I2 for you. So I2 is equal to, that is the integration 2 only I'll do now. Here this becomes, without this half, let me integrate this. It becomes integration du by u, which is nothing but log u. But log u, we know that u value is log x square plus 1. So your final integration answer will be x square, log x square plus 1. Let me integrate everything now. Here we can directly apply log formula, because 1 by x we know it is log 1 by x is 1 by x is log, integration of 1 by x is log. So here it becomes 1 minus x. With the inner by the inner function differentiation is minus 1, so minus log, plus 2 here half, and then already we have done this, so directly we can apply the formula here. Plus here we know 1 by this is of 1 by x square plus a square, which is tan inverse x plus c. So multiply 2 inside, it becomes minus log 1 minus x plus, here while multiplying this get cancelled, so it becomes log x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus c will be your final integration answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.